Welcome to our channel. Carelessness, a momentary mistake. The consequences are irreversible. These images show what carelessness can lead to. Please be careful. Always be cautious in traffic. Suddenly accelerating vehicles skidded with their bumpers touching each other and flew towards the barriers.
Wow. Catastrophic brake failure. This is video you haven't seen.
Formula One. Car flies and flips over and over again. I hope the Formula One driver is good. Racer completely loses control of the steering wheel as he tries to take the corner at an acute angle. The driver, who could not take the curve, lost the balance of the car by contacting the soil and caused the car to flip over several times.
On track. It's all clear at the moment. 3-car going. Coming out, it's contact there. Two base, that's John Mickle. Very nasty consequences.
Close contact resulted in the car's bumpers touching each other, and they were eliminated from the race. Braked and chose to fly like a bird. You've ruined the car, man. It's not that hard to maintain steering control, reduce speed, and turn.
Liberati, and further back behind yesterday's race winner, Akira Aida, up along the pit boys.
This is not a wrestling match. Don't push each other out of the way. In bad situations, drivers can die. In the race where he was eliminated, he could have recovered the car and been in the game.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 rotations.
Going off the track is not suitable for Formula One cars. One car crash affected almost all the races. Are you planning to pass the racer on top of the car? There is an obstacle in the middle. You can pass to the right and left of it, not on top of it. When the bike lost contact with the ground, the bike lost all balance and fell sideways to the ground.
You know what? Oh my God!
There was definitely something off the track in the back, and they were both knocked out as a result of pushing each other.
This is Emma Gilmore from the McLaren squad, and look at this, it is an absolutely massive shunt, and the car shed all the bodywork immediately.
100キロぐらいありますか、速度差。
100キロはないんですけどね、70
You almost killed the guy, man. Can't you see he made contact and he's still doing it? Early and unabated movement into the curve made the accident inevitable.
Who has had a big...
Down towards turn one, just in race one yesterday. Glenn Van Stralen has not made a good start.
Oh my God! Look what happens after a little scuffle. What do you think? They literally poured oil on the road, and it continues to slide very fast. I hope he survived unscathed.
Leading Evans, leading Rash. Yellow flag is out, that's down at turn 6, so it's the fast part of the track. Here, got another crash, it's a Jaguar, it's Sam Bird! Sam Bird has crashed out, oh no, that's absolutely huge about Wimby Wavy! Into the side with red flag, is immediately out on that 9, that is...
The cars aren't on the track, they're on the battlefield. A little jostling, a little impatience, boom! Those who hit the wall are out of the race.
Now this is a moment on the inside from Rensata. Oh my goodness! That is a big one. That is a big one. That's the worst kind of accident you're ever going to see at 130R.
Zeb was entering turns 3 and 4 and got together with Ryan Roberts. Both cars went flipping, and in the middle of the flip, the throttle stuck on Wise's number 26, and the car kept spinning in circles before finally coming to a stop at the bottom of turn number 4. A scary scene for sure, but we are glad to hear positive updates on Zeb.
That's Paul
Trying to get involved from outside the track. Bad idea. Failing to accelerate to the appropriate speed, the driver was badly mowed down by a speeding car coming from behind.
Wat is nou gebeurd? We rijden mee met Michael Schilders. Ziet werkelijk ook geen hand voor ogen. En daar is opeens een langzaam rijdende Laurens Roel. Michael Schilders slaat meerdere malen over de top. Maar stapt gelukkig gewoon uit de zon.
So he's completely missed his braking point, and gosh, the gravel is miles.
And everybody continues, so no harm, no foul. This, on the other hand, was huge. That was John Capestro de Betz for the number 46. Massive impact with the wall. Good news is they took him to the hospital bed.
Montenegro, que se ha escapado en la punta. ¡Uy, qué piña! ¡Qué piña tremenda de Juncio Moro! ¡Uy, uy, uy! ¡Qué golpe tremendo! ¿Qué le pasó?
Look at that, lots of collision. Look, oh my lord.
Man, you are going in the wrong direction. What do you think about this issue?
Right there.
The outside, Leon Madsen going very wide indeed. Oh my goodness. Jason Doyle all out of shape there. Thompson nearly running into the back of him. Oh, he's off. But nothing that was going to injure him. And to hear that he's okay.
Ford going to win the overall with 1-3 moto scores. and that would be absolutely huge for him. Zach Decker, oh, what has happened? He went absolutely...
There we've got Will Orton in the mix as well.
Eager to overtake his rivals, the driver looked for an advantage off the track, but the result, a huge disappointment.
That is probably...
Midfield, somebody going slowly down the back straight. Oh, big off, just behind, into the gravel track. Zero is involved in that.
What?
Sur l'aileron avant de tour encore, et surtout il va falloir... Et voilà, et oui, et voilà. Attention, c'est ce qu'on pouvait craindre, et accrochage, là ça va être un drapeau.
He can sort of seize him and then has to get out of it.
They did a 360-degree somersault with their wheels touching each other.
Felix Rosenquist with more damage in the back. The track is total chaos.
Looks like Devil and Dean Francesco.
Here we are on board with Dev now. And then he just sits and waits.
Oh, such a big...
No, no han escuchado la red de altoparlantes, lo que fuera.
5 segundos 87, Moreno.
Uy, no, qué piñón. 8 con Pineda. No, 8 Pineda.
Kimi Antonelli, he wins here at Mugello. Oh, goodness me. A huge crash across the line as Martinius Stenshorn and Santiago Ramos were battling through.
8 into the back straightaway, off the apex there a little bit. The car's just slightly wide, pushes up to the outside, and just brutal impact.
And it looks like Jared Thomas has eased his way onto the right-hand side of the track. For a moment, he took the lead. Here comes Noaker as well in the number 13, the black and white car. Oh, there's a spin. Matthew Dirks has gone around. This is going to be another big one. Huge incident. Huge incident.
That's Woody Hyman.
Hyman getting kicked around. All kinds of debris.
Coming under the attention of Paul Pope. Oh, goodness me.
Big off in the background, and Ryan Wong is involved in it as well. Red flag straight away. Race stopped because you've got 4 cars involved.
Oh my God. I hope the motorbike rider is okay. The outside of the track is not safe. Keep the wheels inside.
Tiago Martínez, que por el momento le alcanza. ¡Oh! ¡Atención! ¡Míralo! Torrisi, un vuelco tremendo vuelco de Torrisi. Tremendo vuelco de Torrisi, impresionante.
Ahí está lo que tiene que estar.
Quito.
So, and same message to Surreal.
My goodness me. With differing pit stops. Oh, Jonas Reed in the barriers. That's a replay. Is that a recent replay?
That is recent. It's just happened.
That is.
To, kad numeris 17 trečioje vietoje esantis jie važiuoja beveik.
Oh! Kas čia atsitiko? O Dieve, prašau, siųskite kaip įmanoma greičiau.
It hurt me while watching. I hope he recovers quickly.
Die auf Druck von Michael Thier, dem heutigen Besitzer von Mr. Oh, jetzt müssen wir umswitchen. Hier hatten wir aber einen mächtigen Einschlag gesehen. Olli, das ist sowas, was da überhaupt nicht...
The Mexican driver for Van Amersfoort. A big off there into the wall, the Prema car.
That is going
to the bottom, coming to the white flag.
Oh, Hopkins with a big slide. Here comes Isabella Robusto. Left traffic up the road. Robusto. Oh, no!
Terrible crash on the front straightaway.
At turn 8, big dive down the inside, and a tip. Oh, right, that's really unfortunate. Because, oh my goodness, head on.
Pieszczek i co? I Pieszczek pije do przodu, ależ tam ciasto. Oni wszyscy są razem i to się
atrás, Tommy Cambra con el auto blanco desacostumbrado para el flaco longilíneo. De uy, qué vuelco aparatoso terrible. Tremendo vuelco, atención. Un vuelco aparatoso.
Saying something like that.
If you go 5 kilometers per hour on a racetrack, someone will come along and smack you from behind.
Red Mark's fastest overall now. First, Joe Coco upside down big time over in turn number 3.
He's going to come down and hit the inside wall very, very hard.
And this is where the wall kicks out right there. And that shot doesn't do justice. And look at this car.
So this is
front running quintet. Sykes-Stowe having to block down to the inside. Oh, big contact, and over he goes. Lucky Hughes has made contact, and he is barrel rolled.
In time of a big crash for Anthony Fong. Anthony Fong is in the wall. Just lost the back of the car. Glanced off the wall. It's got damage already. And look, you can see him trying to steer away from the barrier, but there's
Been a lot of people around the Prema Racing. Oh, and that's one. Oh, huge incident on screen there. Santilon driver.
It gets pitched off by Ferrandis. This time a huge pile up around the outside.
Sacker the gap, and Matt Travis is up to the 3rd spot as you called, Cal.
Perfect stuff.
Oh, this is going to be big.
Big hit there.
Elias Sabo spearing on.
Número 2, o Duda Bana. Acabou escapando do macião, foi pra parte de dentro. Tem strike, tem carro rodando, minha nossa! Todo mundo vai indo embora, provavelmente, olha na pista.
5 is that, but that is another very, very damaged Porsche.
Yeah, just a quick one. As soon as that happened, the WR team, the number 32.
So it's Peter Barrable, isn't it, into the Sevan of Nathan Anthony. Peter's in the brighter yellow car. Now, how did Connor get on his side? I missed that, and then flips over.
Connor Mills, that's a
sort of a rabbit that you get. There isn't actually on the.
We're green. Geneva's driving over the center line. Hang on, Geneva. Hang on. No! Oh, she gets
Lost control in drag race and chose to smash his opponent.
That'll promote Nowicki to the leader. All over.
Wow, that's a big moment.
See the spruced up at the top of Tanner Faust. So Faust and Scheider, I think it is, are at the back of the pack. There's a little bit of side-by-side going on through that narrow section down the in contact for the roll. Absolutely huge crash. I think it's Anderson.
Take a look at that again. Possibly some contact there, we didn't quite see it. Ben Taylor off onto the grass and then takes off.
William, no, steal again. Nice.
I saw an incompetence of the driver. He could not have crashed without seeing the obstacle in front of him.
Not kidding. Both of those guys looked like they were in it to win it at one point or another in this race 1 year ago. And
Just brilliant off track for a moment. Braking, unfortunately, a heavy place. Luckily.
Beijo, Kevin Reis. 4 laps to go e olha aí, ó. Eita, papai. Nossa. Meu amigo. Que mil palavras.
Obviously, you would assume that's been a coming together.
Oh my goodness,
that's
mate.
a rear suspension collapse that.
And then, oh my word.
5 red lights. Ugo on pole position. And he goes nowhere. Ugo has stalled from pole. What a disaster for the American. And he's been collected big time. One car upside down. We have
menos mal, ya había salido el auto.
Hay bandera roja mientras vemos una vez más lo que fue.
E aí, mureta. Balançou com mureta, foi lá pra fora. Carro vira. Nossa, olha que imagem impressionante de ver o Rodrigo Sartori aí.
Has he made the move? Oh, look at this! Oh, wow! That is absolutely bonkers!
Went on up the tower. So there is Callum Davis with liquid coming out of the front, and he gets on his own liquid and can't stop, and kaboom!
Yeah, he already had a cooler of. That's a hard, very nasty looking shunt, isn't it?
What's going on, man? An accident is normal, but jumping over a car with a car is not normal.
A disputa tá sensacional aqui em Goiânia. E aí, toca aqui na reta, Nelsinho Casagrande, Cacá Bueno, uma batida forte.
Agora esquece bandeira vermelha, fim de prova.
Pneu voando, os carros vêm ali a alta velocidade.
Massa de novo acertando o pneu.
Disaster for Nilsson on the front row with a jump start. Needs to get it done here. Hope there's a bit of carnage behind and has 2 jokers to do. Does get the best start. Into the lead, and there is contact behind, into the wall, huge roll, that's a massive crash for Penton, and again, surely that's a red flag.
Segundo, y ahora Arevalo lo dicho, se tocaron, y vuelco impresionante de Bonjour, un vuelco impresionante de André Bonjour.
Wow, Melvin, bouncing through there, coming almost down into the wall, Rose, final spot, Puckett is still second to Lancey, though, head of the white flag,
Into the final turn here. Louis Kerr going for the big one.
Wow.
But he moves off. Gonna allow Stewart to get a little bit momentum on him. Which one's Matt Crafton? Caution on the racetrack.
Caution is out for the 8th time on the front stretch. Oh, deep toe and a big hit after he had already come to a stop on the racetrack. There.
In the race that started, he lifted the front and hit his opponent's head. I hope he will be penalized.
The 3rd spot. Meanwhile, we go back to the front of the field because David Pro, a brilliant auto. Oh my, what a wicked crash for Carson Pacino.
This is the reason for the safety car. Ian Duggan and
they're only a 10th apart. James behind. It's absolutely brutal. They've just caught the end of the tyre barrier.
Rano coming across his teammate there immediately just to open up the first turn for him! Fairford down! Oh, big
Is it necessary? Maybe. It's a shame for those guys. We said early on in the race they rolled the dice. Oh, big impact there. Who's that? Is that the Team Brit 570 McLaren? It was a GT.
Yeah, looking a little bit sharper now. Franco Flach up alongside Jamie All. Oh, and Flach puts it down in a big way. Flach puts the bike down, and it looks like Sante has gone with. Two going down. Reason being, and
Man, what is happening to this road? Is there an obstacle, or is it due to the oil spilled on the ground? Almost no one could continue the race.
Under him.
Oh my God! Oh my Jesus!
As he was diving down the hill towards Moss Corner and locked it all up and just missed the back of the air dryer. That was a really, really sketchy moment.
Auto que se está prendiendo. Se tiene fuga de aceite. Es el de Juan Carlos Sarmiento. Se va a quedar estacionado en la entrada. A bajarse del coche, sí, el famoso chapulín de la Panamericana, rápido a quitarse de encima el vehículo porque vientos con la maniobra. Se sale a tiempo el chapulín. Deja que el Chevy de Mauricio Iglesias llegue solo a...
Thank you for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to like if you liked it. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified of new videos instantly.